Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across working on features or updates error message on your computer and it's stuck configuring these settings on your Windows computer. So this could definitely be a frustrating issue, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully go about resolving this without too much of a hassle here. And we're going to go ahead and start by opening up the Start menu and type in troubleshoot. Best result should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and left click on that. Now you want to select the additional troubleshooters button on this page, so go ahead and left click on that. And now you want to go ahead and select underneath Get Up and Running, select Windows Update, Resolve and Fix problems that prevent you from updating Windows. So go ahead and left click on that and then select Run the Troubleshooter. Okay, so once that's done here, you want to go select Close. Would suggest restarting your computer, and once you've relaunched your computer, attempt to run a Windows Update again, and that should be able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.